on grammar. Subject verb agreement. Please students, turn your book on page number 5. There you can see some sentences to complete by choosing the correct form of the verb from bracket. First, I am going to say you some rules on subject verb agreement. Then you will complete these activities. Okay students, listen and watch carefully. Concord or subject verb agreement. Please students, look at the example. Look at this example. The girl wears a skirt. Girls wear skirt. Here, girl wears, but girls wear. Why not girls wears and a girl wear? Because a girl, here it is singular subject. So it is followed by singular verb wears. A girl wears a skirt. Girls wear skirts. Here girls is plural subject. So it is followed by plural verb wear. Girls wear skirts. Similarly, she or he has a red balloon. It is singular pronoun, so it is followed by singular verb. She has a red balloon. They have a red balloon. They is plural subject, so it is followed by plural verb have. Now look at here. Concord refers to the agreement of verb with its subject or the subject and verb must agree with one another in number, singular or plural. The subject of the verb must match with the verb of the sentence. Please, you have to keep in mind while making sentence. Here, singular verbs. This verb 5. Goes, eats, comes. These are singular verbs. Is, was, has, does. Similarly, go, eat, come. They are plural verbs. They are also called root form or infinitive form of the verb. Are, were, have, do. They are also plural verbs. If the subject of the sentence is singular, the verb must be singular. If the subject of the sentence is plural, then verb must be plural. Be careful. Please students, remember this. If the subject of the sentence is singular, the verb must be singular. Similarly, if the subject of the sentence is plural, then the verb must be plural. It is the basic rules of subject-verb agreement. Look at here, singular noun. Car. Car is singular noun. Cars, plural noun. When we add s or es to this noun, it becomes plural. But there become is plural verb. It becomes singular when we add s or es to the root form of the verb. Become is plural verb, whereas becomes is singular verb. Go, plural verb. Goes, singular verbs. Go, goes. These are singular nouns and plural nouns, and they are plural verbs and singular verbs. Sometimes noun becomes plural without adding s or es also. For example, child, children. Mouse, mice. Calf, calves. Look at here, subject, verbs. Please students, what kind of subject are they? They are singular subjects. Yes, you are right. They are singular subject and they are followed by singular verbs. has, is, plays and comes. Similarly, what kind of subjects are they? They are plural subjects and they are followed by plural verbs. They are followed by plural verbs. Have, are, play and come. Okay. What about I? I is singular subject, but it takes plural verb. I go to market. I like playing the piano. Okay. Now students, please look this example. He sleeps. They sleep. He sleeps. Why? Because he is singular subject. So it is followed by singular verb sleeps. They, plural subject, and it is followed by plural verb sleep. Our boys, singular subject and was singular verb. A boy was there. Many boys were there. A child likes chocolates. Children like chocolates. A dog has a tail. Dogs have tail. Okay. Sometimes singular subjects. Look at here. Some nouns look as if they are plural, but they are singular in meaning. Look at here. News, physics, mathematics, economics, statistics. They are singular nouns. Even they end with s. But here, plural subject, trousers, shorts, pants, shoes, scissors, binocular, etc. These are plural subjects. One object composed of two parts. So they are taken as plural subject and they always followed by plural verbs. Now, mathematics is hard subject. The bad news travels fast. Politics is not liked by all. Physics was taught by Mr. Thapa. The trousers are too thin. Here trousers are. The scissors are not blunt. Scissors are. My pants are too large. But if you want to make these nouns singular, you have to add a pair of before this noun. A pair of pants is too large. A pair of scissors is blunt. Okay. Now move to next slide. Somebody, nobody, everybody, someone are followed by singular verbs. Someone has taken my pen. Everybody was dancing in the party. Somebody, nobody, everything. This indefinite pronoun always followed by plural, not singular verbs. Somebody has in the hall. Singular verb. Somebody was. Nobody has. Nobody has completed the work. Everything is alright. Okay. Now, when two subjects are connected with and, the subject become plural. It's easy. In general sense, when two subjects are connected with and, the subject become plural. The guitar and the piano are musical instruments. The guitar and the piano, that is plural subject and followed by plural verb are. The guitar and the piano are musical instruments. But if there is only one article for two subjects, it refers to the same person or thing and a singular verb is used. For example, the lecturer and author is awarded. Here, only one article but two nouns. So, it refers to the same person having two posts. So it is followed by singular verb. If the subject gives suggestions, quotations, the verb becomes singular. If they express the same idea, then singular verb is used. For example, slow and steady win the race. In this sentence, they express the same idea. So wins here, singular verb is used. So they are taken as singular verb. So it is followed by wins, singular verb. Time and tide, words for no man. The writer and the editor were present in the party. The writer and the editor were present in the party. Here, two articles, the writer, the editor. So that means two different people. The writer and editor were present in the party. The dancer and the actor are in the room. That means the dancer and the actor, two article and two different noun. So this subject is plural. So it is followed by plural verb. But here the writer and editor. The writer and editor. Here is only one article but two noun. So it means the same person is writer and editor. Same person having two posts. So it is singular and followed by singular verb. The writer and editor was present in the party. The dancer and actor is in the room. The dancer and actor. It is also same person. Same person is dancer and actor. So it is followed by is singular verb. The dancer and actor is in the room. Okay. If subject indicate distance, sum of money, period of time, then it is followed by singular verb. For example, 10 kilometers has been crossed. 10 kilometers has been crossed. Here 10 kilometers. Here is yes. But it is not plural. Because it refers to the amount of what? It refers to the distance. Amount. So they are singular and followed by singular verb. 10 kilometers has been crossed. 20 rupees is enough to buy a pen. 10 kilometers is a long distance. 2 plus 2 makes 4. Not 2 plus 2 make 4. 10,000 rupees is a big amount for me. Okay. When two or more subjects are connected by either or, neither nor, not only but also, verb is used according to a latter subject. Look at the example. Neither she nor I am absent. Here am is used. Am is used because the latter subject is I. It is used on the basis of this latter subject. Either he or you are invited. Here the first subject is he and second subject is you, and you have to, and it is connected either or. If the sentence is connected either or, subject is connected by either or, then you have to use a verb according to the latter subject. Either he or you are invited. But if two subjects are connected by, as well as, with, along with, together with, including, in addition to, the verb agrees with the former subject. Look at here. She as well as I is busy. Here is verb here. Is used according to she. She agrees with E, but it is not related to this verb. She as well as I is busy. John with his friends goes to school. John zone that it agree with both singular, singular. Okay. If the plus adjectives like poor, rich, young, old, blind, honest, such type of words and phrases come as subject, then the plural verbs are used. The world walked slowly. The world walked slowly. Not world walks. World walked slowly. They are followed by plural verbs. The poor are alive. The rich have lots of money. Okay. Now, look at here. Each of, either of, neither of, one of, plus plural noun or pronoun. If they come as subject, then singular verb is used. Look at the example. One of his friends was walking into the room. One of his friends was walking into the room. Either of his books is torn. Neither of her sisters work in a clinic. Each of my workers has helped me a lot. Okay, these words and phrases are followed by singular verbs. Now students, look at your book. Now you can complete the given activities. There you can see the questions. Complete the following sentences using one of the correct forms of the verb in the bracket. There are different forms of the verb. You have to choose the best form by looking the subject here. 2 and 2 make, makes, making, made, for. Which one is right? 2 and 2 make, makes, making, made, for. Please students, read and pick the best answer. I will say the answer later on. Your sheep is, are, have, has, healthy. Which one is right? Where did you buy them? Either of the boys, either of the two boys are, has, have, having broken that. 10 tons of cement has, have, are, is been used so far. Now, check your answer. 2 and 2 makes 4. Your sheep are healthy. Where did you buy them? Here, them is there, then this sheep is plural. So, you have to use our plural form. Either of the two boys, then it is followed by singular verb has. 10 tons of cement has been used so far. Now, turn your book and book activities B. Today's news. Today's news is, are, do, does. Which one is right? The cost of articles is, are, have, has. Slow and steady will win, won, win, wins. Please students, read and pick the best answer. The actor and producer is, are, do, does. Here the actor and producer. It is only one article but two nouns. That means singular subject. You have to choose which one is right there, from there. My scissors have, has, is, are. Which one is right? My scissors, the dirt, been stolen. Today's news is interesting. Here, news is singular, so it is followed by singular verb. The cost of the articles has risen sharply. Slow and steady wins the race. Measles, it is disease, so it is singular, so it is followed by singular verb, so has is correct there. Measles has broken out, so the government is concerned. Please students, this much for today. Please do this on your exercise book. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.